Okay, folks, here at Devil's Stand Table Trail. By the way, shooting this in 4K, so if your mobile or viewing device 4K compatible, do make sure you click the setting on this video to show in 4K. And look at what we have here. Got us a waterfall. I mean, it's not the most flowing one, but it's still cool. Waterfall's a waterfall, folks. Alright, folks. There's still more waterfallage to see. Look at that bluffage. You gotta enjoy that bluffage in this big old tree. Man, it's a big tree. Littler one, but still a waterfall. Still pretty cool. And it goes up. Whoops. It goes all the way up there. Right there, you can see it. Pretty cool. Little waterfall on the bluffage. So the whole purpose of me getting lycra clad and coming out on the bike here at Tunnel Hill State Trail was to come to this waterfall. But as you can see, it's not flowing, and I just really think that would have been a cool waterfall to feature in this video. But I got a bike ride out of it. Went about 10 miles, so now I'm gonna head back to the truck. It's starting to rain, and I think I'm gonna go to Bulge Hole next. So for those of you who don't know, Southern Illinois is home to cactuses. I want to say they are prickly pear cactus. If I am wrong, feel free to correct me down in the comments below. But you see them a lot in these like bluffy barrens areas like these. See them a lot over at Bell Smith and those areas, and they're pretty neat. I think they're cool. I love seeing them. Welcome to Bulge Hole. Got a little waterfall here, a little one here. Got a bigger one over here. Got this huge cave shelter, natural shelter cave. I mean, it's big. It's big. It's one of the bigger ones that I've seen. Now, take note, folks, this is a natural area, so legally you cannot camp here. But every now and then I see fire rings, so I'm sure people are doing it. I don't advocate it. It's not a big waterfall. I've seen it way bigger, but hey, it's a waterfall. That's really what matters. That's what we want to see. We want to see waterfalls. And I had a feeling Bulge Hole was going to be dry when I started hiking out here, and then I heard this baby. This would have been another good fall area, but apparently it's not active enough here. And this, folks, is why I tell everyone who visits Bulge Hole to wear pants. Because right now, I'm in a briar bush, a briar field of briars, slowly making my way. Well, it's not a huge fall, but it's a fall. And plenty of cool bluffage to go with it. So at least there's that. Oh man, that was rough. Getting through all those briars, the field of briars. But my goal is to get up there, and I think I could do that over this way. Who would have known that a power line cutout can be so scenic and beautiful? So, in the fall and winter, this area looks so much better. Everything's growed up right now, and a lot of briars are out, but on a more wetter fall day, oh, this would be a magical place. But to be quite honest, it still is magical, at least to me. Ferncliff State Park, Emma Redmond Trail. Little waterfall is better than no waterfall at all. Kind of rhymed. There's a couple over here. One over here. They're better when they're raging, by far. But we get what we get. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. We got this little guy here. Not bad. Bluffage. Hawks Cave here at Ferncliff. Huge natural shelter. The big boulders.